Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this wrap skirt with ruffles. It's very easy and it took me less than 2 hours to make, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So let's get right on it. You need 2.5 meters of any fabric of your choice, measuring tape, scissors, matching thread, pins, and a skirt pattern. To begin, fold the portion of the fabric you need in half. I want the skirt to be 15 inches long, so I fold the pattern piece by that amount and place the center line at the fold of the fabric, leaving 1 inch at the top for attaching the waistband and 1 inch at the side seams. Cut out the pattern from the fabric. Use the piece you just cut out as a template to cut out 2 front pieces. To achieve the tulip style of the wrap skirt, you will need to carve out the hem for both front pieces. To determine how long the ruffles will be, measure the hem of the back piece as well as the curved hem of the front pieces, and mine was 73 inches. Just a quick review of all the fabric pieces you're going to need for this wrap skirt. You're going to need the back piece, 2 front pieces with the curved hem, a waistband piece which is 3.5 inches wide and 120-inch long, so you can wrap the skirt around your waist twice. You also need 2 very long pieces for both ruffles. I did not bother measuring how long these were. I just cut out 12 inches and 5 inches wide pieces from the entire length of my fabric. To begin sewing, place the 2 front pieces on top of the back skirt piece together and right sides facing each other, and sew along the side seam. The next step is to prepare the ruffles. You need to curve out both ends just like you did for the skirt, and then you hem that. After doing this, sew a long running stitch at the other side of the long rectangle for gathering this. Once you're done with that, take one end of the thread and pull to gather the fabric to 73 inches or to the length of the hem of your skirt. For the second ruffle, I decided to pleat it. Stitch the hem and then roughly pleat it and press to hold the pleats in place. This does not have to be accurate, but they should be fairly similar, so just measure as you go along. Once you're done pleating, place the pleated piece on top of the gathered piece and pin it in place. I pinned at every pleat to make sure everything is straight and smooth. Take your time doing this to ensure there are no folds, especially on the gathered piece. Next, place the ruffles at the hem of the skirt and sew all around. To prepare the waistband, fold the fabric in half and press. Once you're done pressing the entire length of the waistband, find the midpoint of both the waistband and the skirt and pin one side together, right sides facing each other, and sew along the hem. Next, press the seam inward and fold the other end of the waistband to cover the previous seam you just made. To save time, it's advised to press it down instead of pinning. So once you're done sewing the waistband and the skirt, you're done with your wrap skirt and it's time to rock it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did make the skirt, don't forget to share it with me on social media, on Instagram at miss_Pelumes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.